when looking at your model, you might end up with a few conditions where you can kind of see through this roof area. There's another one right here. To address this, there's a couple things you can do. The first is you could just take a wall that's already existing in the area and copy it over. And we're going to detach. Just going to open up wireframe here for a second, just so I can see the wall. So we're going to change the base to level 2 and the top to be unconstrained, and that'll move it up. So that it's in to shaded view or to hidden line view. So that's that wall's there now. What I would do is use the align command up here to align that face with there, and then use the fillet command to fillet this wall in here. And let's just see what's going on here. Use the align command again. And then we'll just align this wall with there. No, it's not going. And now what you want to do is you just want to attach this right here. So that's a good way to do that, to fill that hole. And then you can further just join these walls here, and it removes that line, and then also join these here, and you can see that crisp roof line there. Alternatively, you can actually you can make a glass. So this could be a curtain wall on top there to bring light in that area, and it's just a nice way to address that wall. I'm going to select one with, I think its storefront has the mullions. Yeah, there. So you have a little glass section there. So that's another way to address it. And then with this not lining up properly, what I would do is detach the bottom part there, and then just further fix it by moving that. Yeah, so there you go. So nice way to bring some natural light into the building, and then the roof overhang will shade a lot of direct sunlight. So that's a good way to address the hole in the roof like that.